tune in tune in tune in tune in tune in tune.
Hey, beautiful souls. I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far. On today's menu, I have a delicious piece of fried whole fish, one of my favorite things to make and eat. Then I have some sauteed and a little bit of, pickled carrots, scallions, scotch bonnet pepper, and ginger. And then I have a nice healthy saute of asparagus and peppers. So good, delicious, healthy, nice plate of food. Easy to make and absolutely delicious. Now, before we get into the recipe, I just want to remind you, ladies, if something is triggering you, take a look at yourself. Take the time to pause, reflect, and figure out what is triggering you, why it's triggering you, and what is the source of the trigger. Triggers remind you that you still have work to do because you are still taking things personally. When you are triggered, things are affecting you personally, and you can't use your triggers as an excuse to become violent or act out angrily. You still have to practice emotional intelligence, and you still have to gain control of how you react to the things that upset you. So just want y'all to keep that in mind, and let's dive into this recipe.
Sometimes we fight like cats and dogs, but here we are giving it our all. So many years in the making, but then forsaking and forgetting. Even for a moment, I am not betting on our demise. I can see the future in your eyes. I see the presence, ironic surprise. When you go counter and I clockwise. Through the world's pain and all the lies, we will grow a garden every time. And if I harden, will you remind me of the softness I had in my prime? And if I seek, will you help me find? And when I freak, won't you be kind? No, there's sometimes demons in my mind. What can I say? It's hard being an interdimensional ride.
For your Mars, I'm the healing for your scars. I'm the nighttime for your stars. You don't have to look so far. Watering the family tree, ever after happily. If the earth falls to the sea, in your arms is where I'll be.